once we get that report. Now, we talk about matters to do with the government, and the Ministry of Health has raised concerns over the alarming rise in substance abuse among the youth in the country. Now, Principal Secretary, State Department for Public Health and Professional Standards, Mary Muthoni, singled out that nicotine, a poisonous and addictive chemical found in tobacco products, among other forms of drugs, are highly abused in the country of late. Now, the PS regretted that abuse of the drugs have many negative health effects, including addiction, heart disease, and cancer, saying that continued abuse of the outlawed substances have a ripple effect to the future of the country. Speaking at St. Peter's Kiambururu ACK Church in Kiambu County, the PS called for collaborative action against alcohol and drug abuse, saying the fight against the vice can only be won through concerted efforts of all stakeholders.
Now we have new nicotine products in the market. We have vapes, we have pouches, we have electric cigars that are very appealing even to the young children who are in primary school and secondary school. And note that nicotine, when it gets to the brain, it damages it to the sense that you're not able to be coherent with the most of the things that you may be doing, and your memory, you may have memory lapses. So we are asking the church, and that is why I'm here today, we are asking for collaboration to preach the good word to the people in mashinani.
Tuko na jukumu kubwa sana ya kuelezea Wakristo na kuambia kwamba wakiwa na health nzuri, hata kanisa, hata Mungu atafurahia. Na tunajua ya kwamba your health, you cannot compensate or do anything with it. So it is very important for each one of us to be healthy, and we are also trying to tell people, and especially young people, the Gen Z, to be careful about the drugs, as our PS was trying to say.
Now that story takes us to our first commercial break right here on News Desk. Don't go too far. We'll be back with much more.